Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Addition with Trading Part 2. In the previous video we saw how to do addition with trading using two columns. In this video we will use three columns. The same basic principles apply. So when we add these numbers, 243 and 578, 8 plus 3 is 11, put down the 1, and there's the 110. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12. This one here represents 100. 5, 6, 7, 8, 821. Number 2, 685 plus 479. 9 plus 5 is 14. 4 ones and 110. 7 plus 8 plus 1 is 16. That one there represents 100. 4 plus 6 plus 1 is 11, so the answer is 1164. Example 3, we're adding these three numbers together. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15. There's your 5, and there's the 110. 7 plus 4 plus 1 gives you 12. There's the 2, and there's the 100. This represents two tens, by the way, and that represents 100. 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, that gives you 7. So the answer is 725. The next example, we're adding these four numbers together. When you add 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, that gives you 15. There's your 5 and there's your 110. When you add that column together there, that gives you 23. That's 3 tens and 2 hundreds, and when you add all those digits there together, 9 plus 7 is 16, that gives you 24 plus another 7 is 31, 3,135. We can also solve problems by using the addition process with or without trading. Example 1, Bill had 675 marbles and Sam had 489 marbles. What is the total number of marbles owned by both boys? Total number means you add those two together, and when you do that you get 1,164 marbles. So you can pause this video at any time and check these sums here. I'm sure you'll be able to do that at your leisure. Number 2, the number of cars in a large car park for 3 consecutive days was 786, 695, and 816. What was the total number of cars for the 3 days? So there are the three numbers there. When we add those together, we get 2,297 cars. And you can check that at your leisure to see if that answer is indeed correct. Example 3. 3 schools in the same town had enrolments of 987 students, 874 students, and 965 students. What was the total number of students? So we add the three numbers together, and you will see that the answer is 2,826. So this particular slide here, if you like, you can pause that and just check those three additions to make sure they are all correct. Find the sum of the numbers. So there are 4 numbers there that we've written down. That one, this one, that one, and this one. When we add those together, so we add all those digits here together, and we keep moving along, one column at a time, and we get 2,249. Notice these numbers here. That represents 110. And that represents 2 hundreds, because that's the hundreds column. What is the sum of the 4 even numbers directly after 777? Now the next even number after 777 is 778. Then we just go up by 2, 780, 782, and 784. When you add those numbers together, you get 3,124. So just check that addition sum. And number 6, What is the sum of the three odd numbers directly after 680? So it'll be 681, 683 and 685. So when you add all those up together, you get 2049. So this video has shown you a number of examples on how to do addition with three columns, and we've also included some problems.